Hello everyone. So today I am going to share a quick recipe by my mother, that is of Sorshe Ilish Paturi. First you have to add salt and then you have to add turmeric powder and then you have to add the soaked mustard paste and the curd paste to the fish pieces, and then add the green chili, and for that strong aroma add mustard oil, that is Sorshe tel, and then keep it for a while and then wrap all the pieces together or individually in a clean banana leaf and then cook it for 20 minutes in low flame, okay, or medium flame, and wrap it well so that it gets cooked well. And after 20 minutes you will get a strong aroma of Sorshe Ilish Paturi coming, and now is the time to have it with gorom bhat, that is steamed rice, and Ilish Mach Paturi. So have a great day and enjoy eating. Like, share and subscribe.